Vlogmas. Hey guys, it's Sharika and welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe before you leave. So happy Vlogmas day 23. Right now I'm getting ready to go get my nails done, and then once I leave from the nail salon, I have to go to the grocery store to get my food for Christmas. So y'all leave in the comments below, let me know what y'all making. Are y'all doing the whole shebang? Are y'all doing something small? Y'all let me know down in the comments. Give me some ideas. I know that I want to do some lobsters. On Thanksgiving I did salmon. So I know for sure that I want to do some lobsters. And then this time I'm going to try to make just enough for, you know, you can get seconds and then that's it. So I'm going to try to get some of those little bread pans just to make, you know, like I said, just a very small amount, nothing big, nothing crazy. So that's what we got going on today. Thank you to everybody that watched yesterday's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let's go ahead and get into today's vlog. Okay, y'all, so I just made it home. Got my nails done. Y'all can see them. Same color, Big Apple Red by OPI. So remember I was telling you guys that I'm not gonna make big portions this time for Christmas. So I found these at Home Goods. So it's the 5-inch pans and they were only $3.99. So I got one for macaroni and cheese, one for dressing, and one for squash casserole. So yeah, that's what I'll be doing. So we're gonna probably go, let me take these things out so I can wash them. Stickers off. I just wait until they get wet, they'll come off. But yeah, so this is good enough. They're pretty deep, so that should be good. I still have my shades on. And then when Tony gets home, we're gonna go to the grocery store and pick up everything we need. So right now I'm getting ready to make a quick little grocery store list on my phone, and we're gonna go to the grocery store. Y'all, so last night my mother-in-law, she called me and said she wanted to bring me something. She made this for me to wear on Christmas while I'm cooking my Christmas dinner. She made herself one too, but this isn't this the cutest. She is so cute. Thank you, Mom. This is so sweet. And then she has like the little butterfly at the top. I thought this was so cute, so I'll be wearing this on Christmas morning while I'm cooking. Cooking pretty with Sharika. So cute. So this morning I went to Walmart to get some primers. Well, I also bought two of this is the makeup that I'm wearing currently. Y'all know I switch my makeup all the time. And the e.l.f. BB cream, it just looks so pretty on my skin. So I bought two more of these. Yeah, look at the watch. But anyway, and then Revlon had a new pressed powder color. So this is the new shade Cappuccino. So I'm going to try this. I went in there to get some primer because I've tried so many primers and my skin still, like around my mouth, always gets super oily. So I'm going to try 3 different primers. This is probably like the cheapest primer. This one is Hard Candy, and it's their Sheer Envy mattifying primer. So it's supposed to mattify and control oil. So I got this one. I think this one was maybe like $6. Then I bought Neutrogena Shine Control Primer. So I think this one was maybe like $10. This is just a brown eyeliner pencil. And then I bought the Can't Stop Won't Stop matte primer. So I'll be trying one today, one tomorrow, and then one on Christmas to see which one works best. I've tried like the expensive primers and it's just like nothing works for me. So I'm gonna try these drugstore primers, and like I said, I'll let you guys know which one works best. Today I think I'm gonna go with the cheapest one, which was the Hard Candy Mattifying Primer. I'm gonna try this one first, and I'll show y'all my face at the end of the day.
Sleigh bells ringing, diamonds blinging, carols singing, favorite season. Sleigh bells ringing, diamonds blinging, carols singing, favorite season. They said Saint Nick, but you got a bit in that bag, yeah. I got racks in my sack, her in my bag, yeah. They said Saint Nick, but you got a bit in that bag, yeah. I got racks in my sack, her in my bag, yeah. Neck is frozen, catch me rolling, I'm the chosen, snow is falling, Elfie's calling, check my list twice, most of y'all done, sleigh bells ringing, diamonds blinging, carols singing, favorite season, diamonds blinging, carols singing,
blue and the 128 gauge. The blue.
What's the other gig in the black?
In black, I have a 128 gauge and I have a 64 gauge. The blue, I have a 64 and a 128.
Cupid, Donner, and Blitzen. No, I can't forget about the one with the red nose. When I fly high, my sleigh still stay 10 toes. Bring the cheese, put the lights up. Tis the season, need no French types, no Ebenezer. Don't believe this, y'all need Jesus. Sleigh bells ringing, diamonds blinging, carols.
So we got the phone. This is the iPhone 12, the regular. We didn't get the Pro Max. We just got the regular one. So yeah, he's gonna be so excited. We just waiting on Tony to join the iPhone family.
Not gonna happen.
Team iPhone, baby.
Y'all have fun.
No Ebenezer, don't believe this, y'all need Jesus. Sleigh bells ringing, diamonds blinging, carols singing, favorite season. Sleigh bells ringing, diamonds blinging, carols singing, favorite season. They said Saint Nick, but you got a bit in that bag, yeah. I got racks in my sack, her in my bag, yeah. They said Saint Nick, but you got a bit in that bag, yeah. I got racks in my sack, her in my bag, yeah. They said Saint Nick, but
Made
you
it back
got a bit in
home.
that bag.
So let's do a quick little grocery store haul. Chicken broth, cream of celery, cream of mushroom, evaporated milk, sour cream, Slap Your Mama Cajun seasoning, cornbread, Velveeta cheese, elbow noodles, cream cheese, Land O'Lakes butter, Florida seasoning, Hillshire Farm beef smoked sausage, jellied cranberry sauce, eggs, crab meat, olive oil, accent, cheese, sway fish, small lobster tails, big lobster tails, bell pepper, onion, and zucchini. And that's everything that I had to pick up. Everything else I already have. I bought this really small can of the cranberry sauce because I love eating this with my dressing, and I'm the only one that eat it. So I just bought the small one. This is my first time seeing a little small can like this. An update on the primer. She is not giving what she's supposed to give, honey. She looks full still. Y'all see right here? Like it gets really oily in this area right here, and yeah, she's still oily. But I started to do my makeup, and then I put on some foundation, I put the primer on, but I didn't do everything that I usually do. So I might try this primer again tomorrow just to give it a fair shot. because I didn't put like my my setting powder. I didn't, you know, I didn't do the whole thing. I just put on the primer, the foundation, and that was it. So I might give it another go. But that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at I am Sharika B, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye, y'all.
Up in that bag, yeah. I got racks in my sack or in my bag, yeah. They say the same thing, but you got up in that bag, yeah. I got racks in my sack or in my